bum. A duck walked up to a lemonade stand, and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes?" The man said, "No, we just sell."
Oh my gosh, why is the duck so dumb?
"Can I get you a glass?" The duck said, "I'll pass." Then he waddled away, waddle waddle, till the very next day. Bum 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 bum. When the duck walked up to the lemonade stand, and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum."
Okay, now. This is just so funny. Check it out. It's called a duck song. It's absolutely awesome and absolutely funny. Well then, hey guys, today I'm back with another video, and well, what I'm gonna be doing here is, you all know the top 10 scrambles recorded on the WCA in all WCA competitions. So today I'm gonna scramble this Game 356X up to those scrambles and then see what time I get. So this is the top 10 times on the WCA's scramble. So like, let's just get right into it. So now it's time for inspection. So luckily all these scrambles have to do something with white cross, and like, I'm not color neutral, so that means I can't use any other cross like he did. But luckily white cross, and this one is pretty lucky. Let's go. Huh. Ooh, that was pretty easy. Oh my god. Oh yeah! Let's go. Sub 20 on the first try. So here's the 7th fastest time in the WCA scramble. So why now the 7th? Because I looked up forever for the 8th and 9th, but I couldn't find any. So well, I'm just gonna be sticking with this one. And well, if you know the scramble, please put it in the comments down below. Okay. Yep. This is extreme lucky. But I won't get sub 20. That's the bad thing. Oh, I bleeded myself. And just like I said, I didn't get sub 20, but at least if I recognized that J-perm quickly, I could have gotten sub 20. So here's the 6th fastest time in the WCA scramble, as you can see here. So well, let's just get right into it. This is not as lucky, but if I find a good solution, which I think I'm finding out right now. Okay, let's go. Oh my, dude. Oh my goodness. Not off to a good start, like the usual ones. Oh my gosh, I think I am actually. Oh my, nope. Nope. Yup, I am totally not gonna get sub 20. And a V-perm. A V-perm. Didn't expect me to get a V-perm. But whatever, at least a bit more slower than the last two, but still good enough. This is the 5th fastest time scramble here. So let's just go. Let's go now. Okay, yes. Oh my gosh, oh no, oh no, oh my no. There has to be at least some luck in the F2L, and there isn't, sadly, enough. Oh my gosh, why are my times gradually increasing? It was now, first off, it was 19, now it's 20, then it's 22, then it's 24. See? So this is the 4th fastest time scramble on the WCA, already inspected. So let's go. what? This is a +2, but +2s don't count at home. So it's 20.564. So this is the third fastest time scramble set by Patrick Pons. It was a nice 4.24. And in the end, he shouted, "Hey, Max!" It was pretty funny. Okay, let's go. Yes! Finally! I'm getting actually a lot more better. Now I got another sub 20. Let's go. So this is the second fastest time in the WCA Scramble, which was set by Felix Zemdex on a nice morning. Luckily he got a 4.16, which means I hope that I could solve this in less than 4.16. Just kidding, like I can't. So I'll just try to do the best I can. So, inspection? Yeah. I don't need inspection for what I got here. Aha. Just like I planned. Oh yeah! And just like I expected, it wasn't a 4.16, but luckily it was the 4.472, which is the fastest time that I got yet. So, yay for me. Oh yeah, and by the way, hashtag Santa Claus and hashtag Christmas. The world record. The world record scramble is right over here. In case you don't know, Yusheng did Red Cross, which was pretty lucky. But White Cross itself was, wow, enough. Lucky. So let's go already inspected. So, I hope I do this. Oh, let's go! Bouncing 18. Let's go, another 18. 18.79, and if I remember the last one, I don't know if that's faster or slower, but at least they're both 18s, and 18s are like so fast. So let's go. Finally, we did all the scrambles. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please make sure the like button is blue. If you have any doubts, you can comment down below. Oh wait, no. This video isn't a tutorial. Oh my gosh. If you have any scrambles, the 8th or 9th fastest scrambles, you can let me know what they are in the comments down below. And remember to share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can turn on the notification bells and watch more videos when they come out using that. Well, by the way, Merry Christmas and bye.